So what all the numbers, all the angles that we jotted down is the altitude and the altitude for, azimuth and the altitude for Mount Sac. It relates to this diagram right here, where if you go from the north, right? This is the California coast. Mount Sac is about there. If you go to the center or the top of the sphere, it's basically 0 degrees. North is considered 0 degrees. Okay, so going clockwise right here, this point right here, this arc right here represents summer. So this point where the cursor is, it is representing June 21st, and it's going to about 60 degrees, 60.66 degrees from north. So if we have north is 0, 90, 180, 270 to the west, sunrise in the summer at Mount Sac is going to happen about 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60.66 degrees in the east side right there. Likewise, if we continue all the way through around this circle, this point right here is 299 degrees, 299.33 degrees from north, right? Likewise, in December, which is this right here, the degrees from north is going to be 118 degrees. And at sunset, which is this point right here, it's going to be 241 degrees. Basically from 0 to 241 degrees right there. Okay? So if we show the, if we show the solstice, click on that and execute. That should have changed our arc here to where it is supposed to be pretty much to 8. Oh, this isn't. Oh, this is showing what is today. So if we type in, what is the solstice? Equinox. If we punched in March 20th, an hour, we'll just say 12 o'clock noon, okay? .noon, and still daylight saving, check that off, GMT, -8. We click on execute. You notice that this arc right here, notice this straight line. It's due west, due east. That relates or correlates from the sunrise location, which is 89.35, which is basically 90 degrees. And at sunset is 270.89 degrees. So 270 degrees right there. So at the equinox, you have the sun rising due east, directly east, and sun setting exactly west. Okay, so these three arcs are what we need to figure out, or what we need to document. Okay, so once we do that, we should be okay, and then we could even model this thing and then apply it to our solar gallery project.